Go to edit, then preference, then search for VSU, this one. Then just tick on that. After that, go to edit, then click here, then get on that add surface, then start drawing. So I draw like that. So once you're satisfied with the drawing, just hit on that add surface. So if you want to extend, then you have to hit on that add annotation. Then you have to draw again. Then have to hit on the add surface again. Yep. So as you can see that this is little messy now. So you can go to the sculpt mode and you can make it smooth. Like that, very easily you can retopo all of your model in very short time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next time.